everyone, Jeff Meyer here from the Landmark Group at Compass. I'm excited to give you an update on Colbert Landings, a fantastic new home community in the beautiful Flagler Beach area. This development is progressing well, and there are brand new homes available for sale starting in the mid-300s. These homes feature modern amenities, including spacious bedrooms, state-of-the-art kitchens, and expansive living areas designed for today's lifestyle. Colbert Landings is ideally located less than 3 miles from Flagler Beach, offering residents easy access to pristine beaches and a variety of outdoor activities. The community is also conveniently close to major cities like Orlando, Jacksonville, St. Augustine, and Daytona Beach, making it perfect for those who want a peaceful home base with quick access to urban amenities. Exciting planned amenities at Colbert Landings ensure you'll always have something to do near your new home. These amenities include a clubhouse, a resort-style pool, pickleball courts, a playground and passive parks and walking trails. The spacious, open-concept floor plans are ideal for entertaining guests and facilitating easy conversations. Flex rooms offer the opportunity to personalize your home, transforming the space into a study, playroom, craft room, home gym, or anything else you envision. The community is surrounded by natural beauty, including parks, trails, and waterways, providing ample opportunities for hiking, biking, boating, and fishing. Choose from some of the most sought-after floor plans that feature craftsman-style exteriors, expansive gathering rooms, customizable flex rooms, chef-inspired kitchens, serene primary suites with spa-like bathrooms, and walk-in closets. If you're looking for your dream home in a vibrant and convenient location, now is the perfect time to explore what Colbert Landings has to offer. For more information or to schedule a tour, visit the community's website or contact us directly. Come see why Colbert Landings is the ideal place to call home. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.